Hello class, today I'm going to teach you how to add and or drop a class on Iutus. As you can see, I have my browser open, which is a Firefox browser, which as you can see in the top left hand corner. And we like to get on to the University of the Southern Caribbean homepage. From there we can get to Iutus. So you can either Google it here by typing in University of the Southern Caribbean, or you put the cursor right up here and you type in usc.edu.tt. Then you press enter. That loads and it takes you to the University of the Southern Caribbean homepage. The first thing you see when you open is the news, which goes from right to left. You can click on any of those if you want to. You can scroll down, you have the calendar of events and more news. Scroll back up. Alright, so now we would like to get on to Iutus. From here, you see the University of the Southern Caribbean, which is the header. And on the right side of that, you will see My USC. You put the cursor right over that, and it underlines it, and you click here once. When you click there once, you can see a window opens up, and this window is for all services for faculty, staff, and students online. Here for students, you have which is Moodle, Iutus, which we would like to get to, support desk, student email, and then for faculty, we have student intranet and staff email. So we would like to get onto the Iutus homepage. So we put the cursor right over Iutus here, underlines again, you click here once, and there you see on my computer a new tab on Firefox opens. You see it's already loaded, and it takes you to where you need to be. Here's where you enter Iutus. Okay, if you're using your home computer or a computer in a lab, you have to enter your username or ID number and your password. As this is my personal computer, it's already saved, which is, so you enter your ID and your password. When you're done, you go to the highlighted area here where you see login, which is highlighted in orange. You put the cursor over there and it turns to dark gray, and you click that once, and it carries you to the Iutus 3.0 beta dashboard. Here you can see it welcomes me. Same way it will welcome you, as it says my name here. Welcome Quincy Campbell. It will say welcome John Smith, or whichever, whatever your name is. Right. So we like to move forward now. To go onto the Iutus homepage, we have to get one more click. So we come under quick start menu, and there you see Iutus in orange, and when you click over this hot button here, you can see it highlights with an orange border. Here you click that once as well, and that should carry you to the Iutus homepage. Oh, by the way, this may not happen on your computer or the computer lab computers. This is just a program that I have on my computer. I can click anywhere in the screen and that disappears. And ignore that. And now that will take you to the USC homepage. As you see, every time you enter in your USC Iutus homepage, the notice board comes up. Well, I usually do the notice board. I don't minimize it. You can minimize it, but you can close it if you want. I close it. Okay. So now you go to the left hand corner of the screen top left hand corner where you see record and public. Under that there's personal info, then there's my profile, online registration, my assessment, and my finance. To get to add or drop a course, you need to go to online registration. So put the cursor right here. You can see it gets more detailed. You click once, it's loading right here. And when that's finished, the transaction manager comes up. As you can see, I already have classes for my third semester. So just for example's sake, I'll delete a class so we can add it over. Okay, so now we're going to add a class and then delete a class. So first thing you do is you come right under here and you make sure you have the right semester, which is you click an arrow, the different semesters are shown here. You click the semester you like to apply for, which is 2012-2013. Click that once. You go further down, which is in transaction list, and right next to that there's confirm action, and you click this little box right here which ticks. What this does is it opens up the operation list on the right hand of this box. So we click here and operations list will light up. Right next to operation list, which is on your right hand side, you see actions. To get to choose a class, you come to this arrow right here, this drop down arrow, click on it once, and there you have your options. We have actions, we have add credit course, we have drop course, and we have change to audit. Make sure you choose the right one, because any of these will get you in a lot of trouble. So you click add credit course. You click that once, as you can see in light gray, and another window comes up called add credit course. To choose a course now, what you can do is type in the entire name of the course, or you can type in the course acronym. What I'm going to use is the course acronym. So for this purpose, I'm going to use the religious courses acronym, which is RELT. You type in that, so whichever course that you like to add, you put an acronym there, and you press, after you've done that, you press enter. Here, all the religious courses for third semester comes up. As you can see, I scroll up and down, and you see all the classes. So you choose the one that you need. For this example, I'll use God and Human Life RELT 100-01. Click on that once, it highlights orange, and go down here where you'll see add, and it adds the operation list. So proceed and click add. So this wouldn't come up for you, it just means that this class clashes with one of my classes. So I'll just press ignore. You can ignore that too, and there you go. It adds the operation list. Add credit course, code, and human life. That's as simple as that. If you don't want this course, to delete it, first you highlight it, you put the cursor right over here, click it once, and it turns orange. When you click that once, a little trash can right here on the corner, a little icon here, tells you that you can delete it. So you click on that once, and there you go. A new window opens called delete, and you highlight the course you want to delete. Again, you come down to the bottom right hand corner of this little window and you click delete. It takes a while, and that's it. And that's how you add and delete a class. To run through that again, you really quickly, you choose the right semester, You confirm your actions, then you go in operations list, you use the drop down arrow, you click the add credit course, not the other two. You put in the course acronym. For this one we use again religious course, RELT. You press enter, you choose the class you want, human life, you click add. This will not come up, you can ignore this. There you go, that's how simply you add a course. And to delete it, you highlight it where it turns orange, the trash can icon will appear, you click on that once, then the delete window will come up, you highlight that, you come in the bottom of the screen and press delete. And that's it. And that's how you add or delete a class on Iutus.